What's up, guys? It's your boys from High Speed Low Drag Airsoft. Today we're back again at Twin Cities Airsoft. This is part 2 of our time at high intensity. Today's game mode is capture the flag, but with a little bit of a twist. The way this game mode works is pretty simple. There are 2 flags, 2 teams. Each team needs to get their flag and bring it to their side of the field. However, the twist in this game is that there's a group of mercenaries inserted into the field. The mercenaries can befriend either team, or they can remain neutral and fight against both teams. The mercenaries can also capture either flag from either team, bring it to their spawn point, and they will effectively win the game. However, if the mercenaries score, the game does not end. One of the teams still needs to get the flag and bring it back to their base, which means after that team has scored, they will have taken second place. There's a lot of great players on the field today. Let's get down to it.
Situation is clear on this road to Mayhem. Butch, where are we at? Are we pushed up all the way to Mayhem? Copy that, I'm moving up. Let's chew down. Got another one.
Yeah, he got me.
I see one right. I see one up.
Yep, I got one of them by the red truck. Got another one by the red truck. Got one in the building. Yep, for sure. That's another one. Got him! I got the guy lower tower. Yep, I got you, man. You're good. You can walk out. What the fuck? Watch your fire. Somebody just friendly fired me. Ah. Hit.
You always got to acknowledge a great play. This guy here sat behind enemy lines for around 10 minutes without anybody noticing him and took me out. I did not see him, so as I said in the video, I apologized for not calling the hit right away. However, I did have 3 friendlies behind me, so my first assumption was that I was getting shot from one of the friendlies. However, it was this guy. So hats off to this guy. That was definitely a hell of a move.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You guys are the best. That fucking dude was sneaky. Yep. Got one out in the lower. 2? No, I only got one of them. Bang, bang.
Oh, damn.
Let's move up, push up. Where's that coming from?
Where is that, Cam?
Dead man tell no tale. Who's in the back of Mayhem? Is there anyone in the back of Mayhem right now? Yo, we got people slipping through our right side. Watch the back.
So at this point in the game, our team has pushed up to the 50 line of the field. Currently, where I'm at, I have no idea what team has which flag. At this point, our team is being flanked from the backside of Mayhem. We are unclear to whether or not it is mercenaries or the enemy team. Later, I did find out it was a group of mercenaries.
What now?
That's right. No eyes.
That's one. Whoa, whoa, holy shit. We got 3 guys pushing on Mayhem. We got 3 guys pushing on Mayhem on the back of Mayhem. Push up on Mayhem right now, fast. Yep, you're good. It's a hit. Hit from behind.
Alright guys, so just a little bit of an end game review here. The mercenaries were able to make the first score, putting them in first place. The second place goes to the second team, who was able to get their flag and bring it back to their base. Our team, unfortunately, was not able to get our flag and bring it back to our base. However, it was a great game nonetheless. This is going to wrap up our high intensity mini series at Twin Cities Airsoft. A lot of great players on the field today, and thanks to Twin Cities Airsoft for having us. This has been your boys from High Speed Low Drag Airsoft. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time on the field.